The Amazon rainforest is a vast and vibrant world. It covers millions of acres in South America. Known as the lungs of the earth, it absorbs carbon dioxide. This rainforest breathes life into our planet, home to countless species of plants and animals. The Amazon River winds through the forest. Its waters teem with unique creatures. The canopy creates a world of its own. Sunlight filters through the leaves. The air is thick with humidity and exotic scents. The rainforest is a symphony of sounds. Insects buzz and chirp constantly. Birds call from the canopy. Monkeys chatter and howl. The rainforest is a place of constant activity. The Amazon is a vital organ of our planet. Its preservation is a global imperative. The Amazon rainforest is a biodiversity hotspot. It houses an estimated 1 in 10 known species on Earth. From towering trees to tiny insects, the rainforest teems with life. Vivid colors paint the rainforest, from scarlet macaws to delicate orchids. Jaguars, the apex predators, roam the forest floor. Monkeys swing through the canopy, their calls echoing. The Amazon River is home to the playful giant otter. Giant water lilies float on the water's surface. The rainforest floor is covered in ferns, mosses and fungi. Towering trees form the backbone of the rainforest. The Amazon's biodiversity is a testament to evolution. The intricate web of life here maintains the ecosystem's health. The Amazon rainforest plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate. It acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process helps to mitigate the effects of climate change, keeping our planet habitable. The Amazon's dense vegetation absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen through photosynthesis. The Amazon River, the largest river by discharge volume globally, carries an immense amount of fresh water into the ocean. This flow of fresh water influences ocean currents and helps regulate global weather patterns. The rainforest transpiration, the process of water movement through plants and into the atmosphere, contributes significantly to global rainfall patterns. The Amazon's rich biodiversity is a source of valuable resources. Many plants found in the rainforest have medicinal properties. Indigenous communities have relied on the rainforest for centuries for food, shelter, and medicine. The Amazon's genetic diversity holds immense potential for scientific discovery, including new medicines and agricultural breakthroughs. The Amazon rainforest is not just a beautiful and biodiverse place. It is a vital organ of our planet, essential for regulating the Earth's climate and providing essential ecosystem services. Section 4: Deforestation, a looming threat to the Amazon. Deforestation poses a significant and immediate threat to the Amazon rainforest. Vast tracts of rainforest are being cleared for agriculture, mining, and logging. This destruction has devastating consequences for the rainforest's delicate ecosystem. The loss of trees disrupts the water cycle, leading to more frequent droughts and floods. Deforestation fragments habitats, isolating wildlife populations and making them more vulnerable to extinction. The burning of forests releases large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Illegal logging and land grabbing are rampant in the Amazon, fueled by corruption and weak law enforcement. The demand for beef and soy, major drivers of deforestation, continues to rise. As forests are cleared, the land is often used for cattle ranching or soy production, further degrading the soil and releasing more carbon into the atmosphere. The loss of the Amazon rainforest would have catastrophic consequences for the planet, accelerating climate change and leading to the extinction of countless species. Section 5: Climate change, a shifting tide in the rainforest. Climate change is exacerbating the threats to the Amazon rainforest. Rising temperatures are disrupting the rainforest's delicate balance, leading to more frequent and severe droughts. Changes in rainfall patterns are altering the distribution of plant and animal life, forcing species to adapt or face extinction. The Amazon is experiencing more frequent and intense heat waves, stressing the rainforest's ability to cope. These extreme weather events can lead to widespread tree mortality, disrupting the rainforest's ability to absorb carbon dioxide. As temperatures rise, the risk of forest fires increases, further degrading the rainforest and releasing more carbon into the atmosphere. The combination of deforestation and climate change is pushing the Amazon rainforest towards a tipping point. If we do not act now to protect this vital ecosystem, we risk losing it forever. The consequences for the planet would be catastrophic, accelerating climate change and triggering a cascade of ecological disasters. Section 6, Conservation, a beacon of hope for the Amazon. Despite the challenges, there is hope for the Amazon rainforest. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore this vital ecosystem. Indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries are at the forefront of conservation efforts, protecting their ancestral lands and traditional knowledge. Governments are implementing policies to combat deforestation and promote sustainable land use practices. Protected areas such as national parks and reserves are being established to safeguard biodiversity hotspots. Sustainable forestry practices are being promoted to reduce the impact of logging on the rainforest. International organizations are working to combat illegal logging and wildlife trafficking, providing funding and technical assistance for conservation efforts. Consumers can play a role by making sustainable choices, such as supporting companies committed to deforestation-free supply chains. Section 7. Our shared responsibility, protecting our natural legacy. The Amazon rainforest is a global treasure, a vital organ of our planet that sustains us all. Protecting this precious ecosystem is not just the responsibility of a few, but a shared duty for all of humanity. We must act now with urgency and determination to address the threats facing the Amazon and secure its future for generations to come. We must support sustainable practices that promote the well-being of both people and the planet. By reducing our consumption, making conscious choices, and advocating for change, we can all contribute to the preservation of this natural wonder. The Amazon rainforest is a testament to the power and resilience of nature. It is a place of wonder, beauty, and immense ecological importance. Let us work together to ensure that its vibrant ecosystems continue to thrive for generations to come. The fate of the Amazon, and indeed the planet, rests in our hands. Let's choose wisely.